Hello students, welcome to Solved classes. Today I am going to solve some problems on graph of function. Today I have to draw graph of y equal to x squared minus 1. Now draw the graph y equal to x squared minus 1. To draw this graph, we have to first draw the graph of y equal to x squared, then change this to x squared minus 1. First, we will draw the graph of y equal to x squared. Y equal to x squared graph will drawn. What x squared is graph is like this parabola. Now here is the origin shift. X square minus 1, when x equal to 0, y is minus 1, so it will be changed one step here. So x square minus 1 graph will be like this. This will be y square x square minus 1 graph. It will be parallel to this, and this point is 0, minus 1. Now this is the graph y equal to x. Now first of all, to draw y equal to x square minus 1 graph, we have to draw the graph of y equal to x square first. Well, x square is a parabola. We can draw parabola like this. Now we will draw y equal to x square minus 1. It is origin shift one step below. So it will be y square minus 1 graph. We are done. Now this graph is also a parabola. Only change in this part of origin. Now we will draw a graph of y equal to 2x square. It is scale change. The two type of transformation of graph I am discussing here. One is scale change and the other is origin shift. The first one is the origin shift type example, and second one is scale change. When it is scale change, then we will draw first x square graph, then it will be kx square. If k greater than 1, then the graph will be steeper. And if k less than 1, then the graph will be flatter. And steeper. When k is increasing, the graph will be again step. In this way, the transformation will be happen as scale change. It is the function as k into fx type function, and the origin shift is f of x plus minus k. So we are done in discussing about this. Thank you.